everybody at Manor College, Marlene here with another science experiment. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn a regular egg into a bouncy egg. Here is a bouncy egg. Okay, so to do this experiment you don't really need many things at all. You're going to need some vinegar, you're going to need an egg, a container for your vinegar, so it could be a cup or a mug or an empty jam jar, and some sort of a lid to put on top of your container when you've finished. First thing you have to do is put your vinegar into your container. You want to add enough vinegar so that the egg will be fully covered when it's inside. That should be enough vinegar. Place your egg inside and then cover with some sort of a lid or a container. Now you probably want to put this in a shady space. You don't want to have it in the sun, so find somewhere, corner in your kitchen, and leave it for the reaction to take place. Here's an egg that I put in vinegar about 3 hours ago, so it hasn't really been in this cup a very long time, and you can see that it's already starting to lose part of the outside shell. There's part of the shell right there. And if I pick the egg out of the vinegar, you can see parts of the egg shell that are already starting to come away from the rest of the egg. I would say for the best results you want to leave it in the vinegar for about 3 days. When your 3 days are up, you'll want to tip out your vinegar and give your egg a really good rinse under some running water. Okay, I'm just going to run it under some water to get rid of the residual eggshell. Here's the washed egg. It's been in vinegar for 3 days. If you look really carefully, the shell is completely gone, leaving you with the egg white and the yolk that's inside the egg. It's all held together by the egg membrane. Where did the eggshell go? How do bouncy eggs work? Here's a bit of science. The shell of an egg is made of calcium carbonate. The vinegar is a type of acid. There's a chemical reaction between the eggshell, the calcium carbonate, and the vinegar, which is the acid. The reaction makes the eggshell dissolve, but the membrane inside the shell that surrounds the egg doesn't dissolve. It remains intact. This makes the egg feel a little bit rubbery and allows it to bounce. I'm going to have a go at bouncing the egg now. How high can I go before it breaks? Start quite low. Getting a bit braver. Now I'm hoping the egg will actually break and we'll show you what happens. So here's the broken egg on my work surface, on my countertop. You can see the egg yolk. It is still a raw egg, so that's a raw egg yolk. This is the egg white kind of all over the counter. And this white substance here is actually the membrane that holds the egg white together. And on a regular eggshell, a regular egg, when you take the shell apart, you can actually see the membrane. There's the membrane there. On a shell, on an egg that still has its shell intact. I hope you enjoyed this experiment and you didn't waste too many eggs when you were doing it. I know eggs are a little bit hard to come by in the supermarkets right now. Thanks for watching.